Nation has turned their attention to Georgia as a jury finds the three men involved in the killing of Ahmaud Arbery guilty of murder. Attorney James White back to explain what this means moving forward. And a good morning to you once again. This is a hard topic to talk about on Thanksgiving Day, but again, one that is important. President Biden and Vice President Harris obviously reacting. They issued statements following the jury's decision here. President Biden calling it a devastating reminder of how far we have to go in the fight for racial justice, and Harris condemning the defense lawyers' quote, racist tactics in court. But I wanted to try to get your perspective on this. There was no hate crime law in Georgia prior to this shooting, but because of public outcry, the state enacted a new hate crime measure. So how could that change how cases like this are prosecuted moving forward?
Well, I think that the new law is going to allow prosecutors to take a look at objective facts, and when there's a foundation that can show that someone's actions were based on their hateful nature associated with someone's race, it's going to give prosecutors a brand new tool. It wasn't necessary in this case. An almost all-white jury was able to come to the appropriate conclusion based on the evidence. But going forward, prosecutors will be able to take a look at circumstances where someone is attacked or assaulted or murdered based on their race, and they will have another tool in their belt.
But this will not be retroactively applied to the Arbery trial. So was there evidence that this was a race-based killing, and can they even use that argument in this instance?
So it can't be retroactively applied. That is, we don't have that here in the United States. Once a law has passed, you can't go back and prosecute people based on their past behavior. This case was, I think that most court watchers agreed that the evidence showed that multiple people trespassed on this particular construction site over the course of time while these alleged burglaries were happening in this neighborhood. And the evidence showed that Mr. Arbery was the only minority that, was caught on film. There were several Caucasians, women and men, that had visited this particular construction site. So I do think there's some evidence that the McMichaels and Mr. Bryan treated Mr. Arbery different than they did other folks who were doing the same sorts of behavior. Whether or not that was enough to rise to the level of a hate crime, that would have been up to a jury to decide. But, there certainly was some evidence that he was treated differently.
James White, thank you for being with us. We'll check back in just about an hour. Absolutely. Hundreds. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click on the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.